One factor contributing significantly to the overall cost of a car is the battery, especially in battery electric vehicles, where it plays a crucial role in propelling the vehicle without relying on fossil fuels. The surging demand for lithium, a key component in manufacturing these batteries, has led to a consistent increase in prices. However, a noteworthy development has emerged from Tesla's biggest rival, one of the world's leading automakers, BYD, the largest automaker in China. BYD have introduced a groundbreaking alternative to the costly lithium-ion battery, the sodium-ion battery designed specifically for electric vehicles. The sodium-ion battery presents several advantages over its lithium-ion counterpart, and perhaps most significantly, it offers a 30% cost reduction compared to lithium-ion batteries. This breakthrough not only addresses the economic aspect but also contributes to the broader goal of making electric vehicles more accessible and sustainable. BYD has embarked on an ambitious initiative to drive down battery costs by investing a substantial $1,405,027,187 in the construction of a new sodium-ion battery plant. This strategic move aims not only to reduce the upfront cost of new cars but also to foster healthy competition among various vehicle manufacturers, ultimately benefiting the entire automotive industry. The primary goal of BYD in this endeavor is to enhance the affordability of electric vehicles and promote the widespread adoption of sodium-ion battery technology. The advantages of these batteries extend beyond cost reduction, encompassing improved sustainability and efficiency. The impact of this initiative is expected to be far-reaching, influencing not only electric cars but also other machinery such as scooters and compact vehicles like the BYD Seagull EV. The sodium-ion battery plant, located in Suzhou, China, signifies BYD's commitment to diversifying energy storage solutions. This visionary project became a reality through collaboration between BYD subsidiary FinDreams Battery and tricycle manufacturer Huai, who jointly signed an agreement to explore and expand their capabilities in energy storage. The new sodium battery plant in Suzhou Economic and Technological Development Zone will primarily produce sodium-ion battery cells and battery packs, with an estimated yearly production output of 30 gigawatt-hour. Both BYD FinDreams and Huai Holding Group will utilize this joint venture to establish the largest sodium supply battery systems in the entire world. Before this sodium battery joint venture, BYD and Huai Group had previously collaborated in manufacturing lithium iron phosphate batteries (LFP) at a battery facility in Suzhou. The LFP battery facility occupies 310,000 square meters, with both BYD and Huai Group contributing approximately 10 billion yuan, approximately $1,405,027,187. The construction of the facility is almost complete and production is scheduled to begin this year in March. Sodium batteries also come with numerous advantages over lithium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries, a type of rechargeable battery, function similarly to lithium batteries but use sodium ions Na+ to carry the charge instead of lithium ions Li+. Sodium, a silvery, soft alkali metal, is abundantly available in nature, found in sea salt or the Earth's crust. Sodium-ion batteries have the potential to represent 23% of the stationary storage market by 2030 or more than 50 gigawatt-hour, according to Bloomberg NEF. This prediction, however, might be surpassed if manufacturing developments are accomplished with equipment similar to or identical to that used for lithium batteries and technological advancements pick up speed. And that is where BYD FinDreams and Huai Group come in to expedite the process. Sodium batteries offer quick charging times, stability in the face of temperature fluctuations, and protection from thermal runaway and overheating, because they don't require lithium, cobalt, copper, or nickel, which might produce harmful gases in the event of a fire. They are less toxic than other widely used batteries. Furthermore, sodium batteries can be used for a variety of purposes. The development of sodium batteries also encounters certain challenges. The widespread adoption of this form of energy storage is hindered by the absence of a well-established industrial supply chain. Additionally, a key drawback of sodium-ion batteries is their lower energy density compared to other popular batteries like lithium batteries, meaning they can store less energy per unit weight. They are also less efficient. Around the year 2022, there were rumors circulating about BYD producing a sodium battery electric vehicle that would commence the next year, eventually becoming the BYD Seagull. However, when the BYD Seagull was launched, it did not come with the expected sodium battery, but instead featured an LFP blade battery pack. This rumor likely originated because another car manufacturer, JAC Group's Huai, supported by Volkswagen, began building their first sodium battery electric vehicle. Jangling Motors, Ford's joint venture partner, commenced mass production of an additional electric vehicle using sodium-ion batteries on December 28. The vehicle is named the JMEV EV3, and Ferrisys Energy supplies the Na+ battery. According to Ferrisys Energy, the energy density of their Na+ batteries ranges between 140 and 160 watt-hour-kilogram. The company plans to introduce a new generation in 2024 with a density between 160 and 180 watt-hour-kilogram. Furthermore, they assert that by 2026, they will be manufacturing sodium-ion batteries with a density of 180 to 200 watt-hour-kilogram. BYD's nationality is one of its main advantages. Automobile manufacturing has become more affordable, and because of the market's scale, knowledge, and innovation are also expanding. This is one of the reasons why automobiles made in China for export are produced by Tesla, Polestar, Volvo, BMW, and Dacia. In the fourth quarter of 2023, BYD surpassed Tesla to become the world's largest seller of electric vehicles, with sales of over 530,000 against Tesla's 485,000. BYD's strategic shift into sodium-ion battery production signifies a pioneering step towards sustainable energy solutions. Collaborating with Huahai Group, BYD aims to establish the world's largest sodium supply battery systems. Do you believe that BYD and other manufacturers will successfully overcome the challenges associated with sodium-ion batteries? Let us know in the comment section.